In today's video, I'm going to show you how to migrate from Firefox to LibreWolf step by step using Firefox Sync so you can bring over your browser data as smoothly as possible. If you're switching for better privacy, a cleaner browsing experience, or just want to try a more hardened Firefox-based browser, this is a simple process that can save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. From the menu, go to Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account and Sync section and click it. This is where Firefox manages your signed-in account and syncing options. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your Firefox account first because syncing only works when your account is connected. After that, click Sync Now. This tells Firefox to upload your current data to the cloud, including things like bookmarks, passwords, history, tabs, and other synced browser information, depending on what you have enabled. It's a really important step because it makes sure your data is ready to be pulled into LibreWolf. Take a moment and let the sync complete fully before moving on. Once Firefox finishes syncing, open LibreWolf. If this is the first time you've launched it, let it finish loading before changing any settings. Now go to Settings and then find the LibreWolf section. This section contains browser-specific options that help control how LibreWolf behaves. Look for the option to enable Firefox Sync and check the box to turn it on. This is the key step that allows LibreWolf to connect to your Firefox account and access the data you just uploaded. After enabling it, LibreWolf may ask you to restart the browser. If it does, go ahead and restart LibreWolf so the new setting can take effect properly. When it reopens, Firefox Sync should now be active and you can sign in with your Firefox account to begin syncing your data into LibreWolf. Depending on your setup, you may need to wait a short time for bookmarks, passwords, and other information to appear. If everything was done correctly, you've now migrated from Firefox to LibreWolf using Firefox Sync. That means your important browser data can follow you over without starting completely from scratch. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.